of us are domestic helpers. You see, sa kahambog, sila pa murag nood. Una-una ang ilang paghinambog. Alright. What about racial or tribal troubles in our place? You know, I used to travel to Manila before when I was still in college. Then, of course, my accent would not be real Tagalog. I have nothing against the Tagalogs because my wife is a Tagala, or Tagalasang. They say that. So my wife is Tagala. And, you know, during those days, I would ride a bus and would talk. And then they say, taga Mindanao ka pala, Muslim ka pala. Muslim daw, kaya basta taga Mindanao, abi nila, Muslim na tanan. So they say, Tagalog, excuse me, taga Mindanao ka pala, Muslim ka pala. I said, Muslim ko. Panghadlok na lang ba? Muslim ko, you know, just because my pride also is hurt. You see, what happens? In Bacolod, when I was still working in Bacolod, the Bacolodnons, Ilonggos, would look down on the Cebuanos. Because the Cebuanos that come to Bacolod are those coming from the mountains, Canlaon, you know, and selling vegetables to the city there, in Bacolod City. And the rough drivers in Bacolod are mga Cebuanos food. So, the Ilonggos would say, daw sa udong kay mo ya. Daw sa udong kay mo ya. Pero ang mga taga-Bacolod, pag abot nila sa Cebu, kay sikat mga Cebuano sa Cebu, kay class man ang Cebu, magsinibuano na po na sila dito, pero Ilonggo kong accent. Pagkatapos dito, kinapala, kinapiko, kwarta, tao lama tada. So, you know, back and forth, they look down upon each other. And of course, the Tagalogs would look down upon the Visayans and so forth. So, it's become, sometimes we call it racial or tribal troubles, all because of pride. Pasikatan. They would say, pahabaan ng ihi. They say that. Positions or offices